What we've been waiting on. Girl, I'm ready for your love.
Well, today I'm going to show you how I do this sew-in quick weave using this Malaysian reggae twist hair. I started my hair with freshly washed braided hair. This is the pattern that I used, and then I crocheted my hair going upwards into my braids. I then put a shower cap so that the glue doesn't stick to my hair, and then I put my wig cap. This is how the hair looks fresh out of the package. And then I'm going to go ahead and glue the hair in. I lost some of the footage, so I went ahead and show you how I am gluing the hair in. So I'm just doing like 4 rows in the back. And then I'm doing it in a U coming all the way to the crown of the head. And then when I get to the middle, I am going to glue them in like a stack, starting from the front and going all the way to the back. I'm doing the same thing on the other side, and then I'm gonna put the closure. So that's pretty much what I did. And this is how my hair looks so far. And you see that line? That's my part. That's where I'm gonna cut it. So I go ahead and I glue it just like that in a U. And then I take it off, detach it from the shower cap, and I put this sew-in cap on top of my head, and then I put the wig back on. And I just sew it on. And sewing it on right there is the most important part, because I'm gonna cut along the white line. So I'm just gonna sew it around the perimeter. And this is how it looks after I cut it. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and stick the hair from the front to the back. And then I'm going to add the closure. I did record this part, but somehow I can't find that footage, so. And this is the final look. I mean, I love this hair. It was so pretty. Thank you so much for watching.